Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something unique. It's going to be, we are making some rose water. I picked up some roses from my garden because a lot of roses are blooming in my garden right now. It smells so good in the garden. So I have a lot of antique roses and different kind of roses. So I picked up some very fragrant roses. So I decided to make some rose water. Rose water you can use in kheer, rice pudding, or maybe any kind of dessert, and you can use in the rice, biryani, and you can use on your face and your hands and the skin. It smells good and it makes your skin softer. So we're going to learn that today, how to make rose water. They sell in the stores, but I don't know how old it is and whatever it is, but I just make my own. So I decided to make some and show you to you all how to make that rose water. So let's go see what ingredients we needed to make that. It's not too many things we needed, just the rose petals and couple of dishes. That's it. Okay, let's go. Okay friends, to make rose water we need one big large pot, and we needed a little small bowl, whatever size. If you have smaller than this, that's fine. I have this one, so I'm using this. You put it upside down and you put some water in there. Like I put it like 3 glasses of water. I might add some little bit more water in there, and then you add all these rose petals. Smells so good. So around it, and then so in the middle like this. Then we're going to put another dish, whatever fits inside of it, so you can have a little bit of space so the water steam can come outside and goes in that pot. So we're going to start the stove, and then we will cover. Do not use the flat cover for the pot. You have to have like a little bit of like a dome size. When the steam comes from here and it's gonna dip it from here to that pot, and that's gonna be the rose water. So we are gonna be keeping like this one. Once the water gets hot, we are gonna add this ice on it. So, and put the flame on medium. So it's gonna make more steam, and we are gonna have more rose water. So it's gonna take like a procedure. The whole procedure is gonna be 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes when it gets hot. Then I'm gonna show you how to put the ice on top of it. Then we're gonna go over. Okay. Look, it's water start boiling. Now did you see all the steam is how it's coming? Because of this is a dome shape, the container cover. So it's going all into the middle and falling into the bowl. Otherwise, if you have the flat one, it's not gonna work. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put it on the medium heat. I'm going to reduce the heat, and I'm going to put some ice on the top of it. So it's going to make more steam inside the container. So we're going to have more of the rose water. Okay. Okay. It's already smelling so good. My whole house is smelling so much fragrance. Okay, we'll take 15-20 minutes for this procedure to be done. So I'll come back after 15-20 minutes. Okay. Okay friends, I think our rose water is ready. I'm going to turn the stove off. I see all the ice is melted over here. The water is hot, and we got all the steam inside. Let all the steam fall in our bowl. Then I'm gonna open the bowl. So I'm gonna let it cool down for a few minutes before I open it. See how it's coming, all the steam running through here and falling in the middle. if you have the flat cover, it's gonna be everywhere. It's not gonna fall in the bowl in the middle. There you go, friends. This is all the rose water. This is all just the petals left in there. All the rose water is in here. This is the rose water. Smells so good. We got all this rose water in here, and only petals left in here. See, there's some petals left. You can even take these petals and grind it and put it on your face and your hands. It's really it makes smoother your hands and your face. Okay, friends, our rose water is ready. It smells so good. So has so much nice fragrance. So I put it in a little bit of in a spray bottle. So put it on your hands and your face. You know, it's gonna be easy. So smells so good. Again, you can put it on your face. So it's very good. Then the rest of them, I'm gonna put it in this bottle and Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perfect. Okay. We can use this one in a cooking. So I'll put it in there, save it in the refrigerator, and we can use it for the cookings. Okay. Okay. If you like my video, please click like and share, subscribe, and definitely share with your friends, because this is very unusual recipe. You can buy from the stores, but the stores has, I don't know how old it is. I don't know what chemical they mix it in there. So I don't know how they make it. So this is a pure rose water. Okay. Okay. See you next video. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.